up. All right, so let's do lesson 2 in this book. We're going to do number 13, 14, and 15 because we're all working with the same thing. And if you have everything down from the last book, then this should be pretty easy for you. So we're doing low 2 on the D string. We've already done low 2 on the A string. That was our A, B, C natural. Now we have D, E, F natural, and so this is going to sound on the minor side because of our do, re, mi. Instead of our do, re, mi, we have do, re, mi. And so that's what it's going to sound like. At first, number 13, we are just walking up D, E, F, E, F, F, E, D, E, F, G, F, E, D, and we're going to do that twice. So our bow is doing down, up, down, up. So just 2 beats per bow, down and up. 1, 2, ready, go. Beginning, go. We don't have it in the key signature, so we just have to remember to do that low second finger. A lot of times teachers will write above. I've written plenty of low 2s in, high 4s, high 3s, any accidental that I have. So, but we want to start teaching our brains and our fingers to have these things programmed in instead of just writing everything in, because no matter how many times I've been reading music for 30 years, if the letter or number is written in, I will do that because your brain is so used to reading that language and seeing those letters. So your brain can't help but to read it. And so we're still training our brain to read music and learn these new skills. So we have to remember to have that low 2 in there. So she has it in parentheses underneath that first measure, and we have to remember for the rest of that afterwards. Make sure that your second finger isn't pushing your first finger out of place. Some people will try, I'm gonna get low, 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 and you can get too low of these fingers, and make sure that it sounds nice and sweet in between, so we're not pushing it too low. All right, number 14, we have a bunch of 8th notes. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Lift, repeat. So we will have that lift, repeat at the end. In that second measure, we have F, E, D, A, D, E, F, G. So that's that first finger on that G string. It's on the line. So it's either going to be a 1 or a 3 for violin. So, all right, number 14. Let's do it with a repeat. 1 and go and. Lift, go. So now let's take a peek at number 15. Now this is not going to sound like a minor because we're starting on C. We have no sharps or flat. We're starting and ending on C. So this is the key of C. We have a C, B, A, G, F, E, F, E, D, C. Later in the evening, I can sing low today. So we're starting with that low 2 on our A string. We can walk up with that A, B, C natural. And so it might sound a little bit minor to you as we walk up for that because we're starting from the A, and that's our minor third from that A. So C, B, A, G, low 2, F, E, D, C. Okay. 1, 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1. So we're going to alternate where we have those half bows. 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1. Let's do it with a repeat. We will not have a lift. 1 and 2, ready and go. Low 2 again. 3, lift, low 2.